Hi, welcome to Code Robotics. Um, Today we launched a new software called Online Case Management. Uh, this application is related to lawyers. They can manage the cases from anywhere. Um, so this is a recently we just launched this application. So here I'm going to show about the client module. Actually, this system has like four to five roles. One is admin, and another is a client, I mean customer. Third one is lawyer. Fourth one is paralegal. The paralegal user is, this is the assistant of a lawyer, and other role is called bookkeeper. Uh, Bookkeeper is like account manager. He's going to manage clients, invoice, payment, etc. So this is a very it's a new software. It has like enough features. So I'm going to log in. So I'm going to show you like. mm, so this is a client login. I mean, a customer can log in from anywhere, any device. So this is after login. The client can see the complete. This is a dashboard. So the client can see the what are the cases he has, and what are the documents. This is here you can see the case information. um, the specific case information, say intake form, like the lawyers sometimes they ask some questionnaires, so the client can fill um, about their name, date of birth, phone number, whatever. This is the intake form. I can show you when I log in as an admin, so they can create a number of intake form. So this is differ the case by case. So if the lawyer required some the details from the client, so they can they can call to them, or they can send this a form to fill, so they can easily understand, get the inputs from the customer, and they fill their form. Or suppose this is more, it's this is a case to case, like a suppose the lawyer more related to immigration. They are filing H1 485 kind of to UC. So that kind of situation, they will ask more question from the client. So the client fill the details. The details can using the details, lawyer fill the original uh, uh, I-485, I-765. So that this is, I'm more relevant to like immigration purpose I'm talking. So other cases also, if they need any details, so they can call, or they can ask this kind of intake form. So intake form creation, everything's happening by lawyers, or the admin line. You can see that features. This is a communication hub, is an important module. Here we are going, we are showing like, what are the cases open, what are the closed cases. So we are choosing the radio button. So always if this is the communication between the client and a lawyer, or lawyer assistant, paralegal. So they can communicate, like they can send a message, or they can like send a document. Suppose the lawyer wants to send a birth certificate or something, or any PDF, any document, so they can share it from here. So this is we are maintaining very securely, because this is going to create our own folder called like a cases, and then case name, and client name, then case name, then the document. So it is going to create repository folders in the server. It's more secure. So I can show you here, like some. Here the cases like open, close. The status is like, the lawyer suppose uh, this is related to particular case. In the particular case, they can send a lot of, it's kind of thread, each subject is going to change. Suppose they are going to file some cases, so they need some clarification, so they can create the ask to the client, so client will send the documents, or they can ask more clarification with the lawyers. So this is mostly lawyer, or the lawyer assistant can answer to customers question. So I'm just going to show, like, see here. So suppose the paralegal, or a lawyer, they asking, so I need this certificate or PDF, the PDF format, so they can just, they can send a notification. So when the client log in, they can see their message. Oh, okay, lawyer asked this birth certificate, so I need to send. Okay, so I'm just replying, so I can attach anything. um, so I'm going to attach something. So so you want to send a this message to lawyer or lawyer assistant, so you can choose. So you can I hereby attach passport details. So you can simply send a message. So the you can see now. So you can see the details. So when lawyer they log into their username and password, so they can see this information. They can download the document and then they can do it. So suppose they need more documents, so they can also, they have an option to reply. So they will send is like a thread or forum kind of option. It's a very powerful. So this is what, like, it's more useful for lawyers to manage their uh, client documents in one place. So this is the important module in this OCM, and this is the billing and payment module. So mostly the bookkeeper role, the user, right? He is going to talk to the client in offline or something, so phone. So they will say, like, this is a charge for this case, so they can raise invoice, so the client can pay in the offline through their to lawyers website. So they have some online integration. So, or if some new clients, they are similar lawyers, they want to integrate something, so we can do also that integration. But mostly, like, lawyer, they, this is offline, this payment is happening. So we don't have any online payment right now, so we just create a invoice here. So this kind of invoice may the client, this is a client login, right? So this is created by some the bookkeeper. So when client is going to log in, so they can see this invoice, so they can pay. So once they paid, so the bookkeeper going to change the status, like a paid or not paid or partially paid. They can download this invoice. So it's a very simple application, but it has a lot of features. So basically, like, this is as a case information, communication hub, billing, payment, intake form. All necessary modules are having this OCM. So just we release this software. If you have any questions, so you can comment to this video, or I have given the URL of my website. So there you can see more details about the software, live demo, and if you want to pay, so you can purchase from the site. The site name is called phpscriptsonline.com or coderobotics.com. So both site has, I given the link in the video. So if you have any clarification, you can comment, or you can reply to this in, uh, uh, in the video, so I can reply back. I can clarify your queries. All right, thank you so much.